This is Immaculate Baseball one box break, $49.80 to PYT, but we need to give somebody the Angels. And we do that by spinning this list of teams 5 times, and the team at the top after 5 will get the Angels and the team they bought. Pretty good deal. Five, the White Sox. I'm wearing Superman socks today. 5 times. No, Damo.
No one cares about my socks.
No, that's true, Tabby. The White Sox. We need our thing to sort it alphabetically or something.
How you going, 2020 vision?
I can't see him, Tabby. Am I blind? It's not full. Oh, Blake.
Oh, no!
Blake. No, you do not buy White Sox.
Oh.
Well, this is a shit show.
What's that?
Well, Magda told me it was full.
Yeah, I'm blaming Maggie as well.
I'm giving away all these teams.
Oh my god. Cherry loses again.
Cherry loses again. I'm making a list. I've shit the bed.
It gives me anxiety.
Yeah. What a shit show. Where's Magda? Get him in here.
Just breathe, Debbie. Just breathe. True.
That's it. He's done. He's done.
Unpaid job?
Wrench gone.
Oh!
Braves. Detroit. Don't blame me, Joe. Even if it is true. Oh, there was only 3 teams. And one of them had to win the White Sox.
The Angels.
No, I mean, the White Sox had to win the Angels, yeah. Magda is dead to me. We need to give away the White Sox, the Braves, and Detroit. Okay. We will redraw because no one has that team. You could just void this and let it fill. There's only 3 teams, Blake. I'm going to give them away. I'll pay for a break. Braves. Braves. And Detroit, which is Tigers. And we need to take... $26. Okay. Alright, so I've got the last... Well, the 26 teams. I'm going to randomize the list 5 times. The top 3 teams will win in order. Chicago, Braves, Detroit. Then we will do our random again for the Angels. That makes sense. That's fair. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. So here we are. Back on this one. Magda is not getting paid tonight for this week or anything. 5 times on this list. The top 3 teams, that's everyone who's already bought in, will receive in order White Sox, Braves, Tigers. And then we're going to randomize the 29 teams again, and the team on top will get the Angels. So someone could get 2 free teams here. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. So Nationals get the White Sox, Astros get the Braves, and the D-backs get Detroit. Back to this. I'm going to fill these in and read out who has those teams. Nationals are Leone Gibson equals Chicago White Sox. Astros, Craig Comiskey. You get Atlanta Braves. And then, who's the last team? The D-backs. Matthew Panicasio. You receive Detroit Tigers. It's alright, so we can do away with that. Magda's dead to me. Get him out. Remove that man's spanner. He's probably watching Home and Away. Yes, that's right. This is Oprah. I've saved that list. Now, we're going to do the 29 teams again without the Angels. Imagine if a team that had already been bought won them. That would be worse. That was a lucky save, even though it's cost me $80 or something. $100. All right, we're back here. We've got the 29 teams with the Angels removed. Five times. I don't know. This is what happens when Blakey left me with 35 breaks and I left Magda in charge of filling them. Fifth and final time. The Dodgers. Big team. 5 Dodgers. Rebecca. Rebecca's been waiting very patiently for this break to happen. And now she has the Angels. Need to update the title to just say White Sox giveaway, Braves giveaway, Tigers giveaway, Angels giveaway. That's it. Let's go. It's taken a while, but we got there. No wonder this computer was out of space. Is Zombie Cat in this one? Yes. Mariners Zombie Cat. Good luck. And good luck to everybody. If you didn't win a team in this break, you've had a bad start. That's how many teams I just gave away. Magda. All right. Let's hope it's worth all of this mess. For Arizona, 33 of 49, Zach Gallen. Magda, you told me Immaculate was full. And Immaculate, not so full. It just cost me what I'm going to pay you this week. So we'll talk about that later. For New York, Mickey Mantle, 10 of 25, patch. And that will be a game worn, fantasy camp style worn. Mickey Mantle. Magda, just deny. I like it. Talk about it later, Magda. You've done a great job, but you just missed on that one. That is not happening. Tabby, can you get me some more of these?
What size was that?
The 180 ones. We have a blockchain rookie patch autographs button, Tariq Skubal. Scubal. I don't know who he plays for. Tariq Scubal. Are the buttons one of ones? I don't know. Someone will know what that is. Tigers, says Clayton. Tucker Davidson, rookie patch auto, 66 of 99. $38 of 99 for Cleveland. Bobby Bradley, thank you,
180.
Tabby. Yeah. This break is it's been an event so far. We just need a very nice card to finish off here. They're saying Magdan Andrews in the chat. That's interesting. Oh, Japus. Look at this patch, Tabby. Evan White, rookie patch auto,
Jeez.
Seattle. Now that's Zombie Cat.
That's got some Mariner logo in there.
Zombie joined Cherry last night, I want to say, Tabby.
Yeah.
She said, the teams I like don't get a lot of hits, but I'm telling you now, Zombie Cat, this will probably be the nicest card you ever hit.
Cool. There's half a Mariner in there.
Okay, Tabby. I like it, Tabby.
No.
No, I thought it was good. It was unexpected. The first one in Zombie's cart. Also, it is first break, technically. Congratulations, ZK. Everyone who's joined Cherry this week, and just the old, it's my first break, they've won. And the last card is a jumbo bat auto for Miami, 9 of 10. Sanchez. Is it Jesus or Jesus?
I think it's Jesus.
Rookie.
Yeah, Jesus.
You could make a small table with that little bat patch. Zombie, it's a stunning card. There it is again. She is very excited over on Twitch. First break. Jesus is what it is. Thank you, Iceman. And thank you to everybody who stuck around for $49.80, because that was a journey.